Hi, Jared Carmen from Carmen Real Estate, and welcome to 6 Hillrise Court in Mornington. This beautiful property set behind a picket fence with gates on 917 square metres, set in a really quiet court. It's so pretty. It's really, really cute. Check out the garden behind me. Carport. It's very cool. Come and have a look. Stepping in from the lovely garden out the front, you come into this huge living space with heaps of light coming through the front, and you get a really nice view of the yard as well. This is a great room. It's a nice room just for relaxing in, watching TV, hanging out. It's also sectioned away from the rest of the house with the main bedroom. So you've got the main bedroom with a sunny aspect, built-in robes, and then this leads through to the main living area. This main living space is fantastic. You've got a tiled area here into the kitchen, so you could have a dining table here, have it set up however you like. The kitchen is a great stone look bench top, really nice open. This is fantastic because you can be part of the whole feel of being with the family all the time in this large open plan. You've got stainless steel appliances, really nice setup. And this is cool. You've got a breakfast bar here, you can serve out to everyone. It's awesome. And then the living connected to the kitchen, this space is just fabulous. It's really open, really bright. You've got a Canara wood heater as well as the ducted heating through the home and a split system. It's got it all. This is such a versatile space. Right next to the kitchen, it's awesome. And that leads to outside as well. Off the hallway are 2 generous sized bedrooms with built-in robes and a bathroom that services the 2 rooms that has been freshened up. Stepping outside into this amazing undercover entertaining area. This is huge. Such a good zone to entertain, hang out with the family. There's also carport, double carport. There's an extended carport as well. So if you've got boats, caravans, trailers, you name it, there's the access for it. And you have a gorgeous backyard full of plants that are really nice. You've got a kids cubby house there, a full kids play area. It's amazing. This is such a great entertaining house. You also have a shed that be converted into a gym, home office, whatever you want it to be. This is a beautiful opportunity for someone, for a family to really enjoy. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself and my team a call anytime. This one's ready to go. It won't last.